I don't want to chase this low and then watch this thing come back in my face. I really like this Tesla. Boy, it came back yesterday strong. Went to 753 earlier in the day, collapsed to about 736. And then, on the last couple of minutes, went from 736 to 745. So, I just think this thing is setting up for a major push to the upside. So I bought some more shares into the sell-off yesterday. I'm going to keep accumulating, shares of Tesla. The one stock that I am looking at today is Run. It had a nice key reversal yesterday. So we've been looking at this, and it's just been mucking around in this area. But the more something kind of just does some work, the more fertile it gets over time. So Run has just got these massive, bear formations. So this double top is, to me, the governing price pattern. Will govern or dictate, how prices go thereafter. You had kind of a double top, head and shoulders in this time frame. You kind of had a head and shoulders in this time frame, and then now you've got this kind of reverse triangle, which in and of itself doesn't really mean much. It's just a pattern, and then I just simply observe how prices migrate within the pattern. And then yesterday we also had this key reversal, made a new high earlier in the day, close on the low. So the sellers were in control by the end of the thing. And so you could either put a sell stop under yesterday's low, which was 43.62. So, 43.60, 43.50, or, I would love this thing to go a little bit higher. I love to get opportunities in the pre-market where, you can sell into a higher opening or buy into a dip, but everything's right around unchanged. I mean, the Qs are up about 50. The Dow's exactly unchanged. So, maybe the market's just quietening down and getting in this thing, but so Tesla's still so everything is really unchanged. I love to see some kind of arbitrage disparity, but I don't see any. I haven't seen any for a while. So Roku, all right, so already going down, and Run is going down. So these things are just off to the right, and I kind of hate to chase things right in the get-go. Again, I hate to chase these lows, and then they put on a massive rally. So if they rally, I'll sell into that. And that's kind of the discipline. It sucks. You see these things going, you want more, you chase it, and then they just put it into your. So yeah, Run. I really wanted to get on a big position in this today, but it's, all about the discipline. So I just bought another 1,000 shares of Tesla into this pullback. I just sold into this rally and beyond meat. I just sold another 2,000 shares.
How many shares you got now in total in Beyond?
Not as many as I would like. I have 8,005. That's why increasingly I'm trying. See, this is the action you don't want, where it makes a new low and then it starts going. That's why I want to sell above unchanged. I don't want to chase this low and then watch this thing come back in my face. So that's why it's really about the discipline. You've got to sell into a higher opening and buy into a lower, if you want to sell something, sell into a higher opening. If you want to buy something, buy into a lower opening. And, increasingly, I know if I just do that, I will be successful. And that's why, I just don't chase it. And sometimes it just could get away from you. I understand that. But over time, if you follow that discipline, I think you'll be better off than watching things just come, right back into your face here. You can see, 45 is 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So pop out a profit for 118,000 there. So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts. I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.